Bald Knob, Arkansas. Let's see what it looks like. Right slap bang right there. Okay, nothing there. Bald Knob, Church of Christ. It's a sect of Christianity that believes that Jesus had a baldy knob. Well, most knobs are baldy. The knob itself isn't like pure covered in fucking pubes. But I mean, just like pubeless. They believe that Jesus had no pubes. And now you can come along, put your wand there, while you come indoors and argue about that. There is nothing in scripture that says that Jesus had pubes.